Let's install this black widespread bathroom faucet with pop-up drain. This is on Amazon from a brand called Faucet. I've installed a couple of other things from them in the past. I've been pretty happy with them, so I'm really excited to check this faucet out. Now, this is made for a 3-hole sink cutout. It comes with a pop-up drain stopper, which I love. I will never go back to the old style stoppers now that I've been using pop-ups. They're just that amazing. And of course, we have the center faucet and then the hot and cold handles. Now remember, this is for a 3-hole sink cutout. They also include all of the hookup lines for you as well. Now let's complete the installation using the installation guide provided by Faucet. It seems pretty easy to understand, so wait and see. First, remove the mounting nut and the washers from the faucet and both handles. Take note of what order they were in. Then place the faucet into the center hole. Next, you'll attach those washers and that mounting nut from beneath the sink. Next, carefully screw the water supply lines into each handle. Make sure the cold supply line goes in the cold handle and the hot supply line goes onto the hot handle. Feed each handle into the hole. Then attach everything under the sink. In this order, take the rubber washer, the metal washer, and the locking nut and slide them up each of the lines. At this point, just hand tighten everything. Now check that everything's aligned properly, and then back underneath, you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and you're going to tighten the screws on all 3 components. Now we'll use the quick connect hose that connects the handle and the faucet body. This makes installation so much faster and easier. The end that looks like a wishbone is going to connect to the center faucet, then connect the other ends to the hot and cold side. You want to listen for this click when you put it in place, and then you know you've got it in nice and tight. Finally, check that there are no kinks in the line. Next, let's install the matching pop-up drain. They don't really include on the instructions how to install this, so I'll walk you through step by step. I like to take silicone, place it around the lip here before I place it into the hole. And then from underneath the sink, we're going to take this rubber washer and slide it up, and then take the nut and attach it. Make sure we screw this on all the way so that it's tight and we avoid any leaks. And then connect all your plumbing to the pop-up drain. At this point, just grab a tissue and remove any excess silicone that's squeezed out. Now you can turn the water back on and check for any leaks. And all looks good here, so I am good to go. They do have other colors available. This is the black finish. They also have a different style where it's like an open waterfall available as well. And check out this impressive water pressure. And let's not forget the pop-up drain holding that water perfectly as it should be. And this is a super cool feature. You can remove this basket and the pop-up drain to clean out any hair that gets trapped in there. This is a really good quality faucet. I love how smooth each of the handles turn, and it's made of lead-free materials. It also has an anti-rust treatment, and it is super easy to clean. Okay, I've installed probably 24 faucets in my lifetime. This by far was the easiest. These instructions really are very simple to follow. Even if you've never installed a faucet before in your life, you'll be able to do this one. I would give yourself about 30 minutes to install this. Like I said, it is fairly easy to do, and overall the quality is there. I definitely recommend this faucet. I'm happy with it. Drop your questions in the comments. Be sure to follow for more DIY Made Easy.